Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Drawing is a rewarding and enriching process that can improve creativity, observation skills, and even problem solving abilities. Here is a beautiful drawing. It looks amazing. It encourages you to really look at the world around you. You start noticing details, light, shadows, texture, and proportion that might go unnoticed otherwise. It helps in visualizing ideas and expressing emotions, opening up a space for creative thought and exploration. Creating a detailed drawing requires concentration, patience, and ability to work through challenges. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. You need materials like whatever you want to paint or draw with basic colors and markers and pencils like H for light lines, B for darker tones.